Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kesangma haka pratrik uyayong arhaja arpusan ula penpau syai bo tenat ya ke Jingleit tur ke Henyau Trap Youth Council HYC chen North Eastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Science men haka sautrik uyayong arhaja arpusan. Kumban syukdo bagi HYC kala lej ban sayo director ketika institute u Dr. Nalin Mehta nak kamra trikam jong u halor kenong rembo syamla jubab syakaseng halor ki mat jing dawa pensyai haka bede bakarukom khotungkam da ketika institute. Ke HYC kala bu por nyusngi ya ki bor penyat ke NEIGRIHMS ban jubab ya karukom khotungkam kam tama ke benta ki kam nursing officer ya ka balamang tang RC ya ki schedule tribe. Abakan toy ke ni Menteri Rangba loong bawat hakapor Thma wat ki Shipai kimla ban Hiar Thma ya ki hospital bod loong bakila ban dan ki mat yakran ya ki balla ban yakran bad yathir ulapen pau ke jingbam la ban pediang ya ke ni rukom jingle na mar ka khata ya ki balet cha sumar bad kedoru bagi pulet kila shem khiana ka lenti jong ka an haka bagila dab ban register mukaddama.
My take on this is very simple. Number one, even during times of war, there is always an unwritten code that the armed forces of any of the countries never attack the hospitals. I'm very disappointed, I'll tell you, to see that the operations of a hospital, were kind of interfered with, and whatever the reasons may be. At the end of the day, if you do something like that, it is the people and the patients who suffer. And from any point of view and all humanitarian point of view, this is something that is unacceptable. I'm very clear on that. There can be issues, there can be differences, there are ways to resolve it. Whether it's a state government, whether it's a central government, or whether it is the concerned institute, has never shied away or closed their doors for any kind of discussion to be done on any issue. And we have proved it and shown it in the past also, and will continue to engage in the future. But to intervene and to kind of disturb the functioning of a hospital has not been done in the past. And this is something, as I said, I don't agree with. And accordingly, as I said, the police has taken note of it from a law and order point of view. The case has been registered and the police is taking steps as per law and as per proof that is there. And we will take necessary action on that. As I said, we have never stopped any discussion or any issue. I'm not saying that the issue raised is not important or is important, but as I said, that does not justify interfering in the operations of an hospital. And if there are concerns, then there are other ways to discuss and address it, but stopping the operations of a hospital is not one of them.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.